I wanted to call the next artist Doting Father, but I think so. उससे पहले उस जेम का आना जरूरी है जिसने इसको तराशा है. I would like to thank the person who has created this wonderful piece of gem to this earth. And you know how you inspire as a father. मैं जब भी बोलता हूँ गुरु के लिए I get emotional, so I'll leave the spotlight to Varsha now.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I
You
am
look
Varsha.
beautiful, Varsha.
Thank you. Thank you. So, before I begin, I'd like to thank the Paintbrush Art community for giving me this amazing opportunity. I have never thought of dressing up as a retro girl before, so this was definitely something new. And I have to say, I actually like it a lot. So, yeah. Anyway, coming to the painting. So, when the theme retro was announced, the first thing that came to mind for me was a gramophone. I am a big fan of music, and art and music are two of the most closest things into my heart. So, a gramophone or a phonograph is, in simple words, an ancient music system. And the working of a gramophone is so fascinating. It's like the record is turned at a fairly constant speed by a spring driven motor. And as the record turns, there are grooves on the record. So the needle vibrates back and forth. And these vibrations are then transmitted to a diaphragm, which is inside the system. And the diaphragm vibrates and creates a sound. The sound is then passed through the horn to amplify it, and then it's produced to the entire room. So the manual working of this is so incredibly fascinating. And when I thought of gramophone, I just had to jump at the chance of having to paint it. So that's how this work came to be. And the title is Anachronistic Melody. And this is an acrylic painting. There are certain parts which are done in knife, like the cloth. And I have used very vintage shades, mostly like the relative shades of brown. And I'll show one more work. So yeah, I hope you can see it.
This
This
is beautiful.
titled Conventionally Contemporary, and the concept behind this work is to portray the old with the new. And I'm sure many of you know this is a wind tower or bargil, and it's one of the most traditional Arabic buildings. Its origin is traced as back to ancient Egypt, and it's used as a ventilation system. Now, again, the working of this very fascinating. The hot air goes out through the top, and the cooler winds flow down into the home. So it's like a very old air conditioning system. So I did this painting in acrylic, and the whole canvas is textured using sand paste. I have portrayed a vintage building using a very modern color scheme, and that's how I combined the old and the new, and thus the title Conventionally Contemporary. So I hope all of you enjoy my work, and thank you.
Varsha,
Yep.
one thing is for sure. Now I can engineer a gramophone. You know, I have a gramophone in my house, by the way. Not here, back home at my grandfather's house. But I never knew that, you know, it can be so beautifully kept the way it has been in your painting.
Thank you.
And, you know, you're close to my heart. You are like my daughter. And to everyone, Varsha and my daughter are friends because they're from the same school and the same class.
Yes.
पता नहीं कैसे ये लोग 90 plus number लेके आ जाते हैं. God knows, yeah. And the good thing is she also got into 90s Varsha, and she paints and she does, I don't know what all she does. But itne dinon mein, you are looking amazingly beautiful today. And I
Thank
think so retro should be your style of fashion.
I actually like it a lot. I feel like
Yeah,
it's me.
मैं तो हूँ ही retro. Born in 1975 तो totally retro हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
So मेरा तो by birth I'm retro. But yes, हमारा fashion statement में आज भी लोग मानते हैं. So I know you sing beautifully. If you can sing a couple of lines for us, one or two lines as you like.
Uh, okay. I'm sorry if my voice cracks in between.
हर बड़ा
So
सिंगर यही बोलता है.
I'll sing Ori Chiraya.
Sure,
It's one
sure.
of my favorite songs. So yeah. Ori Chiraya नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे अंधियारा है गाना और लाहों से सना किरणों की तिनके अंबर से चुन के अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हमने तुझ पे जहां भर की जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी जमीन तेरे बिन सोनी रह जाएगी, किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना। Thank you.
Beautiful, dear. Beautiful. And hats off to you, your talent that God has given to you. And keep it with you in your arms, in your heart. Don't let it go over your head, because not many people get that.
Thank
And
you.
I know you have pillars behind you, because when you were singing, Guru was watching you emotionally. तो मैं गुरु को बाद में बुलाऊंगा, because I have a next set of artists and we're running short of time. But Varsha, God bless you, and you know that Paintbrush is always your family.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Yeah.